Hello and welcome to this session of Teaching for Higher NEA 2 grades. In this session we're going to be looking at fish, and in particular oily fish. I'm going to show you how to fillet a mackerel. A mackerel is classed as a round fish, and I'm going to show you how to take the fillets off it really quite easily. Okay, so mackerel is a sustainable fish. This is a Cornish mackerel. It's come down overnight by mail order. I ordered it yesterday. It was delivered at 9 o'clock this morning, so really super fresh. Yeah, still got some stiff in it. Nice and fresh smelling, smells of the sea. The gills are nice and red, so you can see there. Really bright gills, bright eyes. All the fins are intact. Yeah, so that is a perfect fish. And it's not been gutted yet, so I'm going to show you how to gut this as well. So when gutting mackerel, have a bowl of water next to you or be close to a sink, yeah, so you can get rid of everything. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to find the vent. This is the vent here, this little small hole. I'm going to hold that flat on the board, and I'm going to run my knife all the way through to the chin, okay? And then I'm just going to take all the insides, all the guts out, and just pull that out. So it can get a bit messy. That's why I say you need to work by a sink using cold water. Yeah, pull all those guts out and then just wash the fish in cold water, not hot, or you'll actually cook the fish, because it doesn't take much temperature to actually cut that fish. I'm just going to have a wipe down and then I'll show you how to fillet it. So I'm going to now fillet my mackerel, have a good clean down. Really important you've got a good sharp knife. This is quite a flexible knife, not an expensive knife, it's a kitchen devil, but it's really, really sharp. So we're going to start by taking the head off, and I'm going to angle that here. Okay, so if you can see the fish, I'm just going to put that an angle behind that line, like so, and then turn it around and do exactly the same on that side. And just take the head off. Can't use the head, so we're going to dispose of that. And again, I'm just going to give that a quick rinse. Take any blood out, like so. Okay, and a quick wipe down. Always good to have a cloth and some paper towel when you're working with fish. It can get messy. So the head's off now, and what we're going to do is we're going to take off the first fillet. So that's where the bone is. We're just going to put our knife on there and run our knife down the backbone. Yeah, just teasing that off. And say we've loosened that like so. And we're just going to now run the knife straight down there. So that's one fillet taken off like so. Turn it over, and again we're going to start in the middle, keep our hand flat, just in against the bone, all the way down, and so, and we take off the other fillet. And that's our bone. We can't use that for anything, so just put that to one side. So we've filleted the mackerel. We have our two lovely pieces there. I'm just going to trim this up, so I'm just going to take the end bit off the tail. Yeah, and any bits of bone or fin, that's fine. And same with this one. We're just going to trim up that tail, and any bones at the top. Here, there's a little bit of fat, so I'm just going to trim that out and trim that off. And there we have our two fillets of mackerel. So now I'm going to show you how to take out the pin bones. If you run your knife gently, you can see there's some pin bones here, just down the thing. You can use tweezers and just pull them out, or you can do what we call a V-cut and go in and to an angle like so, just cut underneath the bones and then just pull that up all the way, like so, just to take those bones out. So you've taken the bones out of the neck there. Okay.